Eagles are known for their impressive size, powerful beaks, and keen eyesight. There are around 60 different species of eagles found worldwide, inhabiting diverse habitats such as mountains, forests, and open plains. The harpy eagle, found in the rainforests of Central and South America, is one of the largest and most powerful eagles in the world. It can have a wingspan of up to 7 feet and can weigh over 9 kilograms. Eagles are known for their exceptional eyesight. They have a much higher density of light-sensitive cells in their eyes compared to humans, allowing them to spot prey from great distances. These birds are skilled hunters and primarily feed on small mammals, birds, and fish. They use their sharp talons to catch and kill their prey. Bald eagles, the national bird and symbol of the United States, are primarily found in North America. They have distinctive white heads and tails with dark brown bodies. Eagles are known for their incredible flying abilities. They can soar at great heights and reach speeds of up to 50 miles per hour when in level flight. Some species, like the golden eagle, are even known to dive at speeds over 150 miles per hour when hunting. Eagles are monogamous and mate for life. They build large nests, called eyries, high up in trees or on cliffs. These nests can be reused for many years and can reach impressive sizes, sometimes weighing several tons. The lifespan of an eagle can vary depending on the species, but most eagles have relatively long lifespans compared to other birds. Some eagles, such as the bald eagle, can live up to 20 years in the wild, while others, like the Philippine eagle, can live up to 40 years. Eagles have been revered and symbolized in many cultures throughout history. They often represent power, strength, and freedom. In addition to being the national bird of the United States, eagles hold cultural and spiritual significance in various indigenous societies around the world.